Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's kitchen. Today I am going to make tasty zucchini pancakes. Before going to the video, I want to thank all of you for watching my videos, liking them, sharing them and giving your valuable suggestions. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon and join me on my Facebook page. I took one medium-sized zucchini, washed it thoroughly and grated. There is no need to peel. And I grated 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 small onion and 4 green chilies finely chopped. In a bowl, take finely chopped onion, green chili, grated carrot and zucchini. Add some salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and some black pepper powder. Mix them to combine. Add 1 cup of chickpea flour. Chickpea flour is also called besan or gram flour, and 2 cups of jawar flour. Here I am using jawar flour, but you can use rice flour if you like. If you don't care for a gluten-free recipe, then you can use a combination of wheat flour and chickpea flour. Here I added the 2nd cup of jawar flour. If you eat egg, you can add all these ingredients to egg and avoid the flours. That is the original recipe. I got it from my friend, but I modified it as a vegan and gluten-free recipe. So I gave 4 variations here. You may use whichever one you like. I am mixing with my hand because it is easy to mix without any lumps. You may use a spatula if you want. Once everything is combined well, add more water to get a loose consistency. Now add some chopped curry leaves and chopped cilantro. Give it a mix and then we can make our pancakes. Heat a cast iron pan and grease it nicely. Take a ladle full of batter and put it in the center of the pan and spread it slowly like a pancake. Do not make it too big because it may not hold, as the flour does not contain any gluten. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of the pancake. Also sprinkle some oil or ghee. Now cover it and let it cook on one side. A few minutes after, you can flip to the other side. Now sprinkle some oil again and let it cook without the lid. When it is done on this side also, remove it from the pan. It looks so good and it is very tasty with sesame seeds. This is a good breakfast for the whole family. Try this super healthy zucchini pancake and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page.